Just got my nails done, y'all. It came out so cute. I wanted like a nice funky design. I wanted each nail to look completely different. Let me show y'all this here. And my nail tech did that. You know what's so interesting? Oh my God. Okay, so I think I shared this with y'all before, how I've shared my concerns a few times regarding the nail shop that I go to, and how I felt like they couldn't like really, you know, execute the way I wanted them to execute. And then not too long ago, probably like a month or so ago, my nail tech, he just like left the shop, and I didn't find out that he did until it was my appointment. So I was so disappointed, and that's why the last time I got my nails done, I only got white nails. Y'all, why I walk up in there and he was there, I'm like, oh my God. Like, I was so excited to see him. And I was like, this is perfect, because I wanted to try a really nice, like, funky design, but I wasn't sure if anybody else was gonna be able to do it. So I showed him, I was like, this is what I want something different. And he executed. So maybe he was just bored. Maybe he was just as bored as I was when it comes to like nail designs. Like, maybe he just needed a challenge. I don't know, but I'm glad that they came out so nice. And I got
never a man.
Oh, hold on,
God is not a man.
What? Okay, I forgot I was listening to that podcast. That was right though. Yeah, and I got red polish on my toes, so super happy about that. Today has been a self-care day. Earlier this morning, I went to my wax appointment, which was beautiful. It was so nice to catch up with my esthetician, because we low-key be having like mini therapy sessions when I go there. So it was just nice to just chat with her and catch up. And honestly, based on like our conversation, it just reminded me so humbly how everyone always have something going on in their lives, you know? Like, when you think that you really are not doing well with your life and everything, you know, just really factor in the fact that people be having stuff going on. Everybody always have something going on. So that was perspective. Right now, I'm on a hunt for some food. I have not eaten all day. I have not eaten nothing, actually, and it's 3 o'clock. And I haven't eaten nothing. I haven't drunk nothing. Like, I literally been fasting all day. That's interesting. I had to think about that. I didn't have no matcha, nothing, no water, nothing. So I'm about to go get me some food, y'all. I wasn't too sure what I wanted to eat. I kind of wanted some pasta, because I've eaten steak these last couple of days and rice, and I'm like, I don't want nothing like that. But I kind of do want like a salmon pasta, or like fried fish. So if I get salmon pasta, that means I'm a dine in. But if I get fried fish, that means that I'm not gonna dine in. I'm just gonna chill. So we'll see what I end up with. Whew, y'all, I messed up. Oh my God. I was about to go edit my video diary from yesterday, and then I went on YouTube and I'm like, did that video go live yesterday? I scheduled it for the wrong time and day, y'all. So the video diary from yesterday did not go live yesterday. It just went live like an hour or so ago. But that does not mean we fell off, and that does not mean we're not going to end at the same time. So one of these days, until we get to the 100-day mark, you're going to have 2 video diary episodes in the same day, period. But yeah, I messed up. I had an interesting morning. My brother General came to visit, and I had such a great conversation with him. He's just very wise, and he's my youngest brother, but he's so wise, and we connect so well. He helped me a lot, and I'm just grateful. I'm just gonna say I'm extremely grateful. But what I'm doing right now, I just finished working on a website for a client. I am in the middle of creating content for my Patreon. Oh yeah, that's what I meant to tell y'all. So I launched my Patreon today. Woo! Go Tay, go Tay. I launched my Patreon today, y'all. I'm very excited. I'm very proud of myself. This is a huge milestone within my career. I'm not going to downplay this win because it's major. Matter of fact, is this on my bingo card? Hold on. Is this on my... Oh, it is, y'all. It's on my bingo card. I'm about to mark it off right now. Hold on. Oh, this is beautiful. Go Tay. Aww. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, so my Patreon, I launched it. Is it live yet? No. Here's why, because I kind of fumbled earlier and I just explained this to my members on Patreon. But long story short, I published my page today without the awareness that it has to go under review from Patreon before they actually allow it to go live. And that can take a couple days. So it's in the review process, but it should be live soon. And once it's officially live, I will post the link so that if you're interested in joining, you can definitely join. I'm proud of myself. This is why am I getting emotional? Give me a second. Okay, I'm proud of myself because this is something I've been working on for a while. And it's just another way that I prove to myself that when I have a vision, I can execute it. You know what I mean? So I'm very, very, very proud of myself. I'm excited for what's to come from this membership. I'm excited for the members that's going to join the community. And I'm just excited to see my creativity grow even more, as well as my brand. So kudos to me. Yeah. So, got a little choked up. But we got a real though. It's something about these emotions these days. We got to get it in check. Because I'm telling you, this is so different for me. I'm a new version of myself. This new version of myself, I am honoring my emotions. I'm not suppressing them. I'm expressing them. I am seeing them for what they are, but I am also learning to detach from them. So this is a process I'm working through, and I'm going to master it. I'm very proud of myself for saying that right now, because this is going to hold me accountable. Get yourself together. Oh my God. Okay. Anyways, y'all. Yes, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to create some content from my content strategy binder for my Patreon and just get in the groove of that, y'all. Yeah, I just filmed a video for the raw files tier, and now I'm about to film a video for the elevation room tier. So again, once it's live, I will share the link. I will share all the details on how you can join. It's very affordable. And the value that you will receive on a monthly basis, I'm telling you, it is top tier, because I don't play. It is top tier information that you will receive. Okay, so yeah, let me lock in, let me get to work, and I'll chat with y'all later.